Hey, let me show you how you can perform the hard reset of your Redmi Buds 5. That's very simple. All you have to do is just to put both earbuds inside this charging case, the left and the right one, and then close this case for like 2 to 3 seconds. And after this, when you open, you will have to locate the side button. It is actually located just right here. So now we'll have to click and hold this button and take a look for this indicator. Keep holding and wait until it starts blinking slowly. Currently it is blinking quickly. It will take around 10 seconds. There we are. Okay, never mind. I just said that wait for it until it starts blinking slowly, but we will have to actually wait until it starts quickly. And now we just performed the hard reset. As you can see right now, I'm not connected anymore with my phone. And if I select this old connection, I will get a new pairing request. So it means that we actually performed the hard reset of these buds. That's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.